Welcome to the Being Whole and Complete Alpha exercise. Take a comfortable seat, get comfortable, and relax. We will begin by taking 3 deep breaths. In for 5 seconds, hold for 3, then exhaling slowly, 7 or more out the mouth. Close your eyes and take a long, slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your body begin to release. That's right. Take another deep breath. I want you to imagine a warm golden light beginning to fill your body, from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Good. Now take your 3rd deep breath. With each breath, this light grows brighter, warmer, more relaxing. Now I am going to guide you through a simple eye relaxation exercise. I want you to roll your eyes upward as if you are trying to look at the top of your head. And when they are rolled up as far as is comfortable, close your eyelids gently and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And as you exhale, let your eyes relax completely, letting them drop down to their natural resting position. And as your eyes relax, you will notice a wave of relaxation spreading through your entire body. Now I want you to take another deep breath, and as you exhale, allow that relaxation to deepen, and you may notice that your body is beginning to feel heavy, relaxed, deeply at ease. Now I am going to count down from 3 to 1, and with each number, you will allow your relaxation to double, to deepen, to expand. 3. Feeling your body relaxing more and more deeply. 2. Sinking deeper into a state of profound calm. 1. Fully relaxed, fully present, fully receptive. And now, I want you to imagine that your eyelids are becoming heavy, so heavy that you could not open them if you tried. And to prove that to yourself, I want you to try to open your eyes. Just try. And notice that they are so relaxed, so deeply relaxed, that they simply will not open. That's right. And when you are ready, you can let them close again and feel that relaxation deepening even further. Now I want you to take another deep breath, and as you exhale, allow that relaxation to spread from your head, down through your neck, through your shoulders, through your chest, through your arms, through your belly, through your hips, through your legs, all the way down to your feet. Your entire body is now in a state of deep, profound, total relaxation. And with each breath you take, this relaxation deepens even further. Now I am going to count down from 10 to 1, and with each number, you will find yourself sinking deeper and deeper into a state of complete receptivity. 10, deeper and deeper. 9, more and more relaxed. 8, letting go of all tension. 7, all resistance dissolving. 6, sinking deeper into the alpha state. 5, halfway there, completely comfortable. 4, the subconscious mind becoming fully receptive. 3, almost there, completely at ease. 2, fully immersed in the hypnotic state. 1, you are now in a deep hypnotic state. Your subconscious mind is fully receptive, open, ready to receive. Now in this deep state of relaxation, I want you to bring your awareness to the center of your chest, to the place where your heart beats, steady and calm. And as you rest your attention there, you begin to notice something, a warmth, a glow, a light that has always been there, but you may not have noticed it before. This light is the essence of who you truly are, your true nature, your authentic self. It is the part of you that has never been wounded, never been broken, never been incomplete. It is the part of you that was always whole, always complete, always enough. And today, in this sacred space, you are going to reconnect with that part of you, fully, completely, permanently. Now I want you to imagine that this light, this radiant golden light, is beginning to expand, slowly, gently, filling your chest, your heart, your entire being. And as this light expands, it begins to dissolve, to release, to let go of all the old stories, the old patterns, the old beliefs that have been keeping you from feeling whole, the belief that you are broken, dissolving, the belief that you are incomplete, releasing, the belief that you need something outside of yourself to be whole, fading, the belief that you are not enough, disappearing. And as these old beliefs dissolve, you feel a sense of lightness, a sense of freedom, a sense of coming home to yourself. Now I want you to imagine that you are standing in front of a mirror that reflects not your physical appearance, but your true self, your whole self, your complete self. And as you look into this mirror, you see yourself radiant, confident, whole, complete. You see a being who knows their worth, who knows their value, who knows that they are enough exactly as they are. And you see this being looking back at you with love, with compassion, with acceptance. And you hear a voice, a gentle, loving voice that says, "You are whole, you are complete. You have always been enough. You have nothing to prove. You have nothing to earn. You are loved exactly as you are." And as you hear these words, feel them landing in your heart, in your cells, in your DNA. Feel them becoming a part of you. Feel them becoming your truth. Now I want you to bring your awareness to any part of you that has been holding on to the belief that you are not enough, that you are incomplete, that you need something outside of yourself to be whole. And I want you to speak to this part, not from a place of judgment, but from a place of deep compassion. And you say to it, "I see you. I see how hard you have worked to protect me. I see how many times you tried to fill the emptiness. I see how loyal you have been. And I thank you. Your job is complete. You can rest now. I am whole. I am complete. I am enough. I was always enough." And as you speak these words, feel that part of you relaxing, releasing, letting go. Now in this space of release, we are going to install new programs, new codes, new blueprints for your life. I am whole and complete. I have always been whole and complete. I lack nothing. I need nothing outside of myself to be whole. My worth is inherent. My value is unconditional. I am enough exactly as I am. I am free. I am whole. I am complete. And as these new codes are installed, feel them settling into your cells, into your DNA, into your heart, into your mind. Feel them becoming a part of you. Feel them becoming the new default. Feel them becoming your truth. Now I want you to imagine yourself living your life from this new state of wholeness. See yourself moving through your day, calm, confident, grounded. See yourself in relationships, giving and receiving love freely, without fear, without attachment, without neediness. See yourself pursuing your passions from a place of fullness, not from a place of lack, not from a place of trying to prove anything. See yourself experiencing life with joy, with gratitude, with peace. And as you see this version of yourself, step into it. Feel what it feels like to be this person. Breathe as this person. Smile as this person. This is not a future version of you. This is you, now, in the quantum field, waiting to be embodied. And you can embody it now by simply allowing, by simply trusting, by simply being. Now I am going to count from 1 to 5, and when I reach 5, you can open your eyes. feeling refreshed, renewed, and deeply aligned with your new reality. 1. Beginning to return, feeling your body, feeling your breath. 2. More present now, more aware of the room around you. 3. Carrying the new codes, carrying the new identity, carrying the deep knowing that you are whole and complete. 4. Fully awake, fully grounded, fully aligned. 5. Eyes open, calm, clear, whole, complete. Welcome back.